Welcome YouTube, this here is Fierce Phoenix, and I'm coming at you with a little more serious note today, and it's a hard one, and it's one that I don't like talking about at all. But a fellow rider just last weekend lost his life while riding his motorcycle, and me personally, I hope I or my family will never have to go through this, or even I hope I will have to never ask you viewers for any type of monetary funds or help out. But I'm asking you guys today, and to support a fellow rider that has fallen and the family. This gentleman, Brian Love, leaves behind a wife and 4 children, and I don't know their home situation. I never met the guy, but he went riding with a bunch of the guys I do ride with last weekend, and he was in a horrific crash, and he ended up passing away from his injuries. And he has I don't know, family, friends have set up a GoFundMe account to help with the family, to support funeral costs and whatever needs they need. But here's some photos of Brian, and from what I understand, he loved to ride, and that's what he died doing. But if you could, if you only have $5, just do what you can to help out the family. That's all I'm asking. Just a couple bucks to help support what he needs, what the family needs to get through this tough time. Anyhow, that's all I got for you. And if you could, just the link will be down in the description to his GoFundMe page, and just a small amount will help out. Y'all take care now, and y'all be safe out there. It's Fierce Phoenix, and I am out.